Just wanted to show you the Sportage we've got in today. This is in for some side steps fitting. This is the 2016 Sportage. Let's go underneath the car on the ramp and we'll have a look at the side step bracket. So this is the driver's side rear. You can see there, this is just mounted in front of the spring hanger there. This is the an insert that goes into the floor pan here. This threaded section drops out and the bracket attaches to it. And the other nut, if you like, is just in there. You can just see it there. That's behind the wooden block here that we've got on the ramp foot. So it just makes it a bit tricky to see, but non-drill. We just wanted to show you how how easily it is to fit. We've got the centre bracket here. Now this is the existing bolt in the car. You basically take that out, put the side step in, and then reuse that existing one. The middle one that goes down the chassis rail here, this is an insert as well. So a threaded bar that goes into the floor pan. This drops down and again you just attach the bracket to it. Again, that one's non-drill. You can just see from the video there its exact location. This one here at the front here, this has got threaded holes already in the floor pan. And I've just taken this sticker off here and just stuck it on the bracket there because this was actually in the location. You can just see there where it was fitted before. But it's not obvious, so you have to prod around with a screwdriver until you feel it's soft. It's just a sticker really. So you prod around with a little screwdriver in this area here. That gives you an idea of where we are. Peel the sticker off and it's got a threaded nut insert behind. And then again, you can just see there, that fixing there as well. That's all very straightforward. So non-drill. It's taken us about maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes to do one side. We'll do you a video once it comes off the ramp and on the deck and show you the side steps once they're finished. For more details, 4x4at.com, UK's leading supplier of four-wheel drive accessories.